Different cultures have their own unique tricks and hacks to address various skin problems. Get ready to explore 5 amazing techniques from around the world that can help you fight those pesky skin issues. So welcome back to this series. Our next stop is Native American skincare with an amazing remedy, witch hazel. If you struggle with acne or inflammation, this one's for you. Witch hazel has powerful astringent properties that help reduce excess oil, inflammation, and soothe the skin. All you need to do is apply witch hazel to a cotton pad and gently swipe it over your face. Repeat this step twice daily after cleansing your skin, and you'll notice a visible improvement. Ready to discover a Russian remedy for sunburn or irritated skin? Look no further than yogurt. That's right, yogurt contains lactic acid, a gentle exfoliant that soothes and cools the skin. It also has hydrating properties that can help replenish moisture levels. Apply plain yogurt to the affected areas and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. The coolness of the yogurt will provide instant relief, while the lactic acid gently exfoliates the skin. Rinse it off with cool water, and you can use this refreshing treatment as needed to calm and hydrate your skin. For those who don't want to use plain yogurt, you can easily opt for yogurt-based skincare products. Our next destination is Australia, where we find an excellent remedy for acne and fungal infections, tea tree oil. This essential oil has potent antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties that combat bacteria, reduce inflammation, and help heal skin issues. To use tea tree oil, dilute it with a carrier oil like coconut or jojoba oil to minimize any potential skin irritation. Apply a small amount to the affected area using a cotton swab or clean fingertips. Leave it on overnight to allow the tea tree oil to work its magic, and rinse it off in the morning. Use this once daily to bid farewell to those pesky skin concerns. You can easily find tea tree oil and carrier oils in your local health food stores, pharmacies or online. Buckle up, we're heading to Korea for an amazing remedy to address aging or dull skin, seaweed. This nutrient-rich marine plant is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that nourish the skin, improve elasticity, and promote a youthful appearance. To enjoy the benefits of seaweed, you can opt for a seaweed mask or look for seaweed-infused skincare products. As the mask works its magic, the seaweed's nutrients will penetrate the skin, providing hydration and revitalization. Rinse it off with lukewarm water, and you can treat yourself to this rejuvenating experience once or twice a week. If you prefer a DIY approach, you can also make a seaweed-infused toner by steeping dried seaweed in warm water and using it as a refreshing facial mist. Now, let's explore a Polynesian secret to combat dry or eczema-prone skin, coconut oil. This natural wonder has moisturizing and anti-inflammatory properties that deeply hydrate and soothe itchy, dry skin. Warm up some coconut oil in your hands to make it easier to apply and massage it directly onto the affected areas. The heat from your hands will help the oil melt and absorb into the skin more effectively. Coconut oil can be used as a daily moisturizer or as a targeted treatment for specific areas. Its versatile nature makes it a popular choice for nourishing and revitalizing the skin. Look for organic, cold-pressed coconut oil for the best results. Our next stop takes us to Morocco, where we discover the beauty of argan oil. This golden elixir is rich in vitamin E, antioxidants, and essential fatty acids that deeply nourish and moisturize the skin. It's a fantastic remedy for tackling wrinkles and dry skin. To use argan oil, simply apply a few drops to your face and gently massage it into the skin using upward motions. The oil will absorb quickly, leaving your skin feeling soft and supple. Make it a part of your daily skincare routine, preferably at night, to enjoy its anti-aging benefits. Look for pure, cold-pressed argan oil from reputable brands to ensure its quality and effectiveness. Please note that these remedies have been traditionally used and have anecdotal evidence of their effectiveness, but individual results may vary. If you have any pre-existing skin conditions or allergies, it's advisable to consult a dermatologist before trying any new remedies.